back, or welcome if you're new here on today. This is part 2 of my springtime in the South living room style with me. You know what to do. Grab a beverage and a snack and just keep watching. So welcome back, or welcome if you're new here on today. Grab a beverage and a snack and let's enjoy the video together. Yeah, so this is really how it looks behind the scene, pulling things out, seeing what you have, what's still in good shape, and brainstorming on the overall design. We're going to start off by decorating this buffet. And even though I cleaned it in my last video, I'm just going to give the top a little dusting. And we're going to start in the middle by using this large cream ginger jar. I paid $59.99 for it, and I believe I got it from either Tuesday Morning or Home Goods. So we're just going to put this right in the middle and give that a quick dusting. So I'm not going to put florals in this ginger jar on today, so we're just going to pop the top right there. Next up, on either side of my ginger jar, I'm going to add this blue and white vase. I have 2 of them, and in my last mini shopping haul, this was a Ross purchase for only $11.99. I'll take the sticker off in a minute. So this is going to go here. And this is going to go there. And I'm liking how that is starting to look. So next off, we're going to focus on the coffee table. Let's go in. I'm going to start off with this gold and acrylic rectangle tray. This was a Home Goods find for $24.99. And we're going to put this, I'm thinking, because this is an odd shaped table, I'm thinking we're going to start it right here. And then I have this blue and white vase that was a Ross find for, what does that say, $16.99. Give that a quick little dusting. And I think I'm going to put that right here. So I hope you didn't think we were going to leave those vases empty. Come on now. We have to add some florals. Now listen, I am not a floral designer, but I'll try my best. Not this one. But all of these are from Dollar General. $2 or either $3. So check out Dollar General. And they're a little better quality than Dollar Tree. Anyway, let's get to designing something. Listen, I forgot about these cherry blossoms. I found these at Home Goods for $16.99, and they came in a set of 3. So, where's my scissors? I'll be back. I am Katrina, and this is The Price is Pearl Life. This is a lifestyle channel. I share my love of home decor, cleaning, cooking, vlogs, and shopping hauls. I love motivating and inspiring you to decorate your home on a budget. Now, if that's something that really interests you, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. If nothing else, I hope that you will be entertained. Liking the way this is looking. And then also at Ross, I found this little planter for $4.99. I stuck some paper in it, and I found this at, it was either Ross or Dollar General, and I'm just gonna plop that inside there and add this to the tray. And as you see, I switched the tray around, and I thought best to corral everything in the tray. So I found this Midnight Shadow scented candle. It was only $7.99. Make sure you can see the price. $7.99 at Ross and 2-wick. It smells amazing. I don't even know if I need to burn it. It smells so good that you can just open it, and the aroma just fills the room. But anyway, I'm going to take the price tag off, and I'm going to add it here. And I love, oh, I didn't even show you. I love the wood detailing on the top. So. Now that my coffee table and my buffet are coming together, it's now time to turn my attention to my couch. And of course, I'm using pillow covers. I have 2 of these beautiful navy velvet pillow covers from Amazon, of course, and this beautiful pattern that was a recent Amazon find. And of course, I will link both of these pillowcases down in my description box below. So let's get these pillowcases on the pillows and style the couch. I'm outside for a special project for the living room space. I'll turn the camera around and let you see what I'm doing here, on the Johnson Ranch. First things first. Oh, excuse the powdered donut residue on the lip. But anyway, I am spray painting my lampshade. Yeah, I saw it and I thought I would try it. I think it looks pretty good. Laugh out loud. I changed my mind, and after starting to decorate, I decided I do want florals in this large ginger jar. So, you know, let's decorate that together. Okay, so next up, we're on the console table. My door is here, so this acts as my entryway table, the first thing that someone sees when they walk in the door. So let's see what we can create in this space. A few things on the floor. Let's get to work. This while our lampshade is outside drying. I have this ginger jar, $24.99 from HomeGoods. Set candlestick set, and I purchased these from can't remember right now. But anyway, I'm gonna stop talking and get to decorating. So just in case you missed it on the large ginger jar, I'm repeating it on this smaller ginger jar. I'm using what is called the tape method when designing a floral arrangement. You're simply taking Scotch tape, making a crisscross pattern, which allows you to stick your stems in the little openings that you created and prevents them from falling, flopping somewhere you don't want them to go. You're just hearing about this method for the first time, you know what to do. Give me a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. And if you're new here, well, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as part of my growing YouTube family. And you know, it's free and it's fun. So another tip I'd like to share with you is I rarely cut my floral stems. They may be long, I might have to bend like you see I'm doing here now. But depending on the size, the height of the vessel, I might just need that added length. Just another tip. so much for stopping by for Springtime in the South, my living room edition. And if you're new here, I hope you already, subscribe. And to all of my loyal subscribers, I appreciate your continued support. Now, don't forget, mark your calendars. Join me on Saturday, May the 4th at 10 a.m. It's going to be my monthly live, and it's going to be super, super special. You don't want to miss it. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.